I'm getting ready to replace the V-belts in this 560SL, and it's not a particularly easy job. It's kind of a pain. So I'm consulting my friends here, getting ready, getting myself psyched up, and these are the guys that are going to help me out on this job right here. On the 560, as well as the 420 V8s, there are 5 belts that have to be replaced. So that means there's a number of bolts that have to be loosened and a number of adjustments that have to be made. And that's what makes this job so challenging. But I'm going to say right off the bat, if you've got one bad belt or you've thrown an alternator belt, then replace them all. It's enough work that you're better off to replace all 5 of these belts at the same time, and you want to use quality Continental belts. Looking at these belts, you know, they don't look too bad. I don't see a lot of cracking when I turn them over. But look at this on the power steering dual belts. You've got one that's tight and one that's loose. I'm not sure if they're different belts or whatever's happened, but these 2 belts need to be replaced as a pair. Don't just replace one. And in order to get to these 2 belts, all 3 of the other belts have to come off. So why change just 2 belts? That's another reason why I just plan to get all 5 belts and change them at the same time. Now this is a 560SL, and there's another challenge that we have to deal with when doing this job. Look at the position I have to be in to do this. For one thing, my back's going to be hurting after a while, but there's another, oh, ouch. This is the other issue right here. This stupid hood, it's just too low. Now I have a question. I'm going to end this video asking those of you who have owned an R107, how many of you have hit your head on the back of this grill while doing work on your V8 engine? Ow. In case you wonder what I'm doing, I'm getting ready to replace the V-belts on this 560SL, and it's a pretty complicated job. So what I'm doing here is making a list of things that I'm going to need to do in sequence to make sure I get those new V-belts on correctly.